Welcome! Today we're making DIY keychains and charms that are fun, fast, and totally customizable. This craft is perfect for all ages and makes a great gift or personal accessory for your bag or keys. Let's go over the materials you'll need. Shrinky dinks or shrink plastic, permanent markers, scissors, beads, tassels, and keychain rings. Remember, baking the shrink plastic requires an adult's help, so always have supervision for that part. Start by taking your shrink plastic sheet and using permanent markers to draw your favorite designs or shapes. You can trace around stencils, sketch freehand, or even print out images to use as templates under your plastic. Make sure to keep your designs bold and colorful. Shrinking will intensify the colors and make them pop. Once you're happy with your drawings, carefully cut out each shape with scissors. If you want to turn your design into a charm or keychain, use a hole punch to make a hole near the edge before baking. Arrange your pieces on a baking tray lined with parchment paper, making sure they're not touching each other. Now it's time to bake. Follow the shrink plastic instructions for oven temperature and time. This is where an adult should help. Watch as the pieces curl, shrink, and flatten out. It's like magic, and only takes a few minutes. Like the designs in today's project? Check out our custom-made designs just for you at our Printify store. Personalize your own gifts or decor. Start browsing now. Once they're done baking, let them cool for a minute or two before touching. These can be hot right out of the oven. Now comes the fun part, assembling your keychains or charms. Thread a jump ring through the hole you made in your charm, then attach it to a keyring or lobster clasp. Add some flair by stringing on colorful beads or attaching a tassel for extra style and personality. Mix and match different shapes, colors, and accessories to create a truly unique keychain set. These are perfect for backpacks, purses, keys, or even as zipper pulls for jackets and pouches. DIY keychains also make wonderful party favors or thoughtful handmade gifts for friends and family. Remember, you can get creative with your designs. Try initials, favorite animals, or even tiny versions of your own artwork. If you make a mistake, don't worry. Just start a new design. Shrinky dinks are very forgiving and fun to experiment with. This project is a great way to express yourself and show off your style wherever you go. Thanks for crafting along with us today, and don't forget to let your imagination run wild. For more creative ideas and ready-made designs, check out our Printify store. Share your finished keychains on social media and tag us. We'd love to see your creations. Happy crafting, and see you next time for another quick and easy DIY project.